Dumating na rin si Optimus Prime and this is the Tecno Spark 30 Pro. I'm pretty sure ang dami sa inyo nag-aabang ng review ko neto and this is more than meets the eye. Itong phone nito is being collaborated with Transformers and it's being powered by the MediaTek Helio G100. 108MP na main camera sensor, 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery with 33 watts of charging support. May bypass charging to. And meron din siyang symmetrical na stereo sound being tuned by Dolby Atmos. Ano, interested ka? Pag-usapan natin. Now, itong Tecno Spark 30 Pro na may 8 plus 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage is priced at 7,999. But sa kanyang early bird price, mabibili mo lang to sa 5,999 pesos. More information on the link on the description box below. Nung nahawakan ko si Bumblebee Edition, which is the non-pro variant nito Tecno Spark 30 series, inaabangan ko talagang makakuha ko nito Tecno Spark 30 Pro na Optimus Prime Edition. Makita mo, it looks better than the Bumblebee Edition. Probably I'm more of a Optimus Prime na fan nung bata ako. Makita mo kanyang camera module looks really nice. Makita mo meron pang red and blue na color dito sa kanyang camera ring, blue, red, and silver dito sa kanyang katawan. And it feels smooth naman sa likod and medyo shiny ang kanyang effect except that siguro maraming fingerprint ang mangyayari dito kung hindi mo masyadong pinupunasan. Shiny din kanyang side so expect more fingerprint smudges. Winning factor for me is nandiyan pa rin ang kanyang audio jack. And another winning factor for me is triple card slot siya. So pwede ka maglagay ng dalawang 4G na nano SIM plus isang micro SD card. And promise din ni Tecno, meron din siya 5 years na lag-free fluency dito sa phone na ito. But for me, it still depends sa inyong usage. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 which is a 7% improvement over sa G99. So, checking sa kanyang Antutu benchmark, nakakuha siya ng 434,000 points. And this is the breakdown score. 305 loop score niya sa wide of extreme and 99% kanyang stability. Ito ang kanyang benchmark sa kanyang CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench. And ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Well, looks good naman ang kanyang thermals and it throttled to 88% ng kanyang best performance. Now, this phone has a 5,000 mAh na battery, which is an industry standard and it can fast charge up to 33 watts. Now, if you're charging your phone from 0 to 100, siguro abutin ka naman 1.5 oras tapos ka na mag-charge ng phone mo. And nung gamit ka naman siya as my daily driver, kaya naman na magtagal one whole day without any problem as long as hindi ka babad sa gaming at hindi ka rin babad sa video conferencing. Now, nung sinalang ko siya sa battery stress test dito sa PC Mark, nakakuha naman ako ng 12 hours na screen on time. This is based on 50% brightness and 60Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, there's a lot of ways kung paano mo pwede optimize lang yung battery dito sa phone na ito and pakita ko lang sa inyo. Now, there are a lot of ways na pwede mo i-save ang iyong battery. Now, meron kang battery saver mode dito. Pwede mo i-turn on siya para mas matipid ka sa battery. Then, pwede ka rin mag-auto battery saver mode pag umabot ka ng 20%. Sarili na siya magsiset niyan. Then, pwede ka rin mag-set ng ultra power saving mode kung kinakailangan. What's nice dito sa kanya, pwede mo rin set ang iyong charging speed to smart charge. So, pag once sinet mo sa smart charge, sarili na siya mag-a-adjust depending sa kanyang AI. Now, pwede ka rin mag-set ng AI charging protection. So, you'll be charging up to 80% ng kanyang maximum capacity lang to prolong your battery life. What's nice din dito sa kanya, meron siya bypass charging. So, once na naglalaro ka ng matagalan, pwede mo ikabit ang iyong charging cable dito sa kanya and then diretso siya sa kanyang motherboard without entering yung battery para mas pa-prolong pa lalo ang iyong battery life. And meron din siyang charging safety protection as well. Meron din siyang mga special functions dito na pwede mo makita. Dynamic port, floating windows, pwede mo kalikutin, mem fusion, smart panel game mode, pwede mo rin kalikot lahat ng settings mo dito sa game mode, smart hub, app twin, saka kids mode. Now, one of the things na sobrang gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is ang kanyang theme pack. Makita mo kanyang wallpaper is just made for this phone. Itong Optimus Prime na wallpaper. And you'll see a lot of logos dito na simply made just for this phone. Pagdating naman sa display, this one has a 6.78-inch na AMOLED display. It has a punch hole din dito, hindi na siya teardrop notch. And meron din siyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate with 1,700 nits of maximum brightness. So if you're browsing on your socials, expect a good experience naman dito sa kanya. I was able to browse through my Facebook, my TikTok, my YouTube Shorts. Okay ang kanyang browsing experience. Wala kang mafe-feel na lags naman. As long as maganda naman yung internet connection, I don't see any reason you'll be able to feel lags sa phone na ito. Now, if you're watching your favorite shows dito on this phone, expect a good experience dito. I was able to set it to 1080p and ang dami ko napanood na videos dito na sobrang ganda sa YouTube. So, rest assured, mag-e-enjoy ka dito sa phone na ito. Now, sinabi ni Tecno meron siyang symmetrical na stereo sound dito and it's being tuned by Dolby Atmos. I'm not quite sure kung magiging symmetrical siya kasi 6 ang kanyang butas dito sa ilalim pero 4 lang ang kanyang butas sa ibabaw. Well, try lang natin. Well, honestly, okay naman kanyang sounds pero hindi ko lang na-feel na naging symmetrical siya. Mas malakas pa rin ang sounds coming from the bottom compared do sa ibabaw. Now, I was able to play 3 games dito sa phone na ito. Playing Call of Duty Mobile Honor of Kings and Farlight 84. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, expect a good gaming experience naman dito sa kanya. Pansin ko dito sa kanya, okay naman kanya touch response, mabilis naman. And playing some VR matches dito, okay naman. I was able to breeze through, wala kang maging problema. Halos wala ka talaga mafe-feel na lags dito sa game na ito. And honestly speaking, I was able to enjoy. Halos 1 oras din ako naglalaro nitong game na ito. And after an hour of playing, pinakamainin na na-achieve niya is 41 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Honor of Kings, okay, I was able to set dun sa kanyang graphical settings sa recommended and my experience for 30 minutes, okay naman siya. Though there are some minor lags along the way, pero hindi ko naman masasabi na sobra siyang lag. Though there are just occasional lags na hindi mo maiwasan and okay naman kanyang sounds while playing this game. And pinakamainin na na-achieve niya dito sa game na ito is around 42 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, dito talaga nagbakbakan kami. And I set it to the medium graphical settings. And I was expecting it would lag heavily. Pero surprisingly, hindi siya ganon kalagi. And playing 3 VR matches dito and naglaro ako ng 1 oras. And I was able to enjoy naman. The sound was great. The touch response was great. There are some minimal lags naman along the way. And pinakamainin na na-achieve na dito is around 45 degrees Celsius. Napag-usapan natin ng camera. Sa likod, meron siyang 108MP na main camera sensor. The other one is probably a depth sensor. And dito, this is the IR and meron din siyang quad LED flash. It can let you shoot up to 2K and 30 na video. And sa kanyang harap is a 13MP na camera which can also let you shoot up to 2K and 30. Now, one thing that I like dito sa Tecno Camon 30 Pro is maganda ang mga output ng kanyang camera. Take example dito sa very simple shot na ito na nakuha ko. Makita mo mga greens, mga dahon dito. Okay pa naman. Medyo sharp pa rin naman sila after you zooming it in. Now, if you're checking mga flower shot like this one, you'll get some really pretty details dito sa kanya. Taking some mga tall building shots looks pretty nice and it looks really nice and decent. I was able to come up with some of these great snaps naman dito using itong camera na ito on outdoor. I was able to get some really good photos dito. And by far, I'm pretty impressed dun sa kanyang sharpness. So, nilaro ko naman kanyang zoom lens. This is a normal shot and this is a 3x zoom shot. And after 3x zooming, I think it's still okay. Nakakumuha ka ng mga shots dito sa tabi ng dagat. I think it's pretty nice pero hindi lang siya ganun kaganda kasi walang araw. But honestly, dito sa shot na ito, I was able to capture some really nice details sa mga clouds which I like. And playing again with yung ganun zoom shot, this is a normal shot and this is a 3x zoom shot. After zooming it, dito sa 3x, I think medyo a little bit blurry na siya pag zoom in mo na siya. And honestly, wala namang masabi sa kanya outdoor shots which are pretty much okay and very sharp naman. Now, if you bring this phone indoors, pag kumukuha ka ng mga product photography, expect some good shots din naman. This was able to perform. May makita mo ito sa sapatos ni Jason Tatum, yung ganda na kanyang pagka-focus dito sa Air Jordan na ito. And taking a look at yung kanyang background, maganda yung kanyang pagka-background blur, I'll be honest. And pag kumukuha ka naman maraming colors on a single photo, this looks good pero except na medyo madilim nga lang siya. Some Christmas decor shot looks good. And pag nilalaro mo naman ka na zoom lens on inside, this is a normal shot and this is a 3x zoom shot. I think pretty sharp pa rin, pretty clear pa rin ang details. If you're trying to take some food shots naman on indoor, I think pretty much good ang mga photos nito, except that hindi lang super duper clear. And yeah, it's still okay. Acceptable naman siya para sa akin, itong mga food shots na ito. Nung nilalaro ko kanyang camera nung medyo padilim na, this is a normal shot and this is a 3x zoom shot. I think still okay pa rin ang kanyang 3x zoom shot. And nung medyo pa sunset na, I was able to capture some good snaps din dito using this camera. Now, if you're using this camera on outdoor, I would say na not so bad ang mga shots na nakuha ko on outdoor condition. Looks nice. Okay naman ang mga shots na nakuha ko dito. Wala mong naging problema. And pag pumapasok ka na sa indoor, I think it will be a little bit softer as compared sa mga outdoor shot. Mapapansin mo sa mga details might be lost dito sa photo na mga nakuha ko dito. But one thing for sure is okay na okay siya to take some groupie shot together with the boys. Now, if you're trying to use the front-facing camera on outdoor, well, I would say it's shaky, but quite okay naman ang kanyang resolution. Wala kang magiging problema sa kanya. And yeah, medyo shaky nga lang talaga siya. And if you're using the rear camera to take a video, I would say it's still shaky. Yun ang probably one of the problems pa rin ng mga phones ni Transshot. Now guys, if you're a big fan ng Optimus Prime, I'm pretty sure this is a good addition sa inyong collection. And I'm happy to tell you na I was really blown away with this phone and sobra akong naging happy naman sa kanya. One of the things kanya is it looks really nice and talagang masasabi ko na Optimus Prime talaga siya. Kasi sa likod, sa kanyang themes, talagang fan service tong phone na ito. Unlike yung Spark 30C na Megatron, halos wala namang nakita Megatron doon. Be it sa theme pack, sa mga icons, doon sa kanyang design ng phone, sa kanyang unboxing experience, except meron isang picture na Megatron doon sa kanyang box sa labas. Other than that, wala nang iba. Ito, maganda talaga unboxing experience. Plus yung gamit. So habang naka-early bird sale pa siya at $5,999, you should grab it while you can. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be posting the official link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.